Hello folks, very nice day for grilling. Today I'll be making jerk pork, and it's the time of year for charcoal grilling. I'm actually gonna do indirect grilling. I'm gonna have the fire over there and put the meat on this side. So it's gonna take a bit longer, but guarantee that the meat won't be burnt. What's gonna happen here is that if you notice, there's no charcoal under the meat here, but what's gonna happen, the heat is gonna transfer from over here, give it a bit of smoky flavor, and about an hour or so I'm gonna flip these over, and then I might put it over the coal to get a little bit of char to it, but not burnt. Yes, it's about an hour now, so I move them directly over the charcoal. So I want them to get charred and get some more heat to speed up the cooking process. Yes, flip over to the other side. We're almost there. Okay folks, let me check. It should be ready. All done. Yes, this is all done. I don't want it to dry out, so I'm going to take it off, let it sit for 20 minutes, then I start cutting it up. But flavor is there, I can smell it, which is a good thing.